back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create contact list in Zoho CRM. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you are going to create contact list in Zoho CRM, then all you gotta do is simply go to Zoho. Once you're in your Zoho, you need to create your contact list primarily by referring to creating and managing mailing lists. So you can do it with your Zoho campaign. So basically in Zoho CRM, creating contact list means to create and manage mailing lists, which basically integrates with Zoho CRM for contact management. So you can simply navigate to the contacts in Zoho Campaigns, create a new list in it, and add contacts to the list. After creating the list, you have several options to add contacts. You can manually add contacts, import contacts, or like create a sign up form. You can sync it with Zoho CRM, and Zoho CRM will allow you to manage individual contact records and group them using views and reports. The concept of contact list for mass communication and email campaigns is primarily handled within Zoho Campaigns. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.